So you guys, you know what? Let's talk a bit about content writing. I want to show you a few free tools that you need to add to your toolkit as a content writer that is just starting out. Okay, so as a beginning content writer, you are going to need a lot of tools, trust me. All right. You need as much help as you can get, and something that you need is tools, free tools, and there are a couple of them that every writer should have, and that's what this video is about. In this video, I have a list of the tools that you are going to need. If you have these tools, then you can get a lot of support. Trust me, it will be easier for you to kickstart your content writing career and then just go with the flow. All right, so that's what this video is about, and if you're interested in learning what you need, then stick with me and let's get straight into the video. Alright, so you guys, we're getting started in a moment. However, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if this is something that you are interested in, then you certainly want to join my family. So you can simply click the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that whenever I put out new content, you can get alerted and then you can watch it. Alright, so quickly, let's get straight into the video. There's a way I want to do this video, right? I'm not just going to list out tools for you. I want to show you the steps, okay, what you need step by step to do to write great content, and then I'm going to give you some tools to back up each step. All right, so let's say you've been tasked to write an article, a blog. This is your beginning task. The client is waiting for you. What do? So first thing you need to do is research. Content research is the first thing you need to do. All right, and now there are two types of research that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to do audience research, and then you're going to have to do topic research. Okay, I've reserved keyword research for the second step, but for now, these two, audience research and topic research. All right, so first you want to research your audience because you need to know what people are looking for. Okay, now if you're writing about, let's say you're writing about a topic, a health topic, 5 activities to lose weight. All right, you need to research your audience. Okay, what is their pain point? What are they looking for? What are they searching for online? When you know what exactly they are searching for, do they want an answer to their question? All right, they want information, or do they want action? They want to buy something. So there's informational content, and then there is marketing content. All right, so you need to know your audience very well. Study the audience that you're writing to. So you need to know, okay, this article I'm writing, who is it for? What kind of people would love to read this article? All right, so first thing first, audience research. And for audience research, there's a tool called Answer the Public, and I completely recommend this tool. There's Answer the Public, there's Ubersuggest, these two tools. But you see this Answer the Public, it's a very good tool. It will tell you what people are searching for, how they are searching for it, and it's free. So check it out and see how it works. Now the second part under content research, second part is topic research, right? So topic research is topic research. So you've been given a topic, 15 best retreat centers in Mexico. That's a topic. Now you need to research that topic because you need to know, people must have written about this topic, right? So you need to check Google to see what the people write, the top ranking blogs, what kind of content do they have there, just do a research. Then you also need to find out the top, because before you write, you need to know what you're writing. So if you're supposed to make a list of 5, you need to do your research to find out the top 5. Okay, so that's what topic research is all about. And the tool I'm going to recommend to you for this is Perplexity. Guys, Perplexity is my secret tool. Like, I love the tool. Okay, and so I'm going to recommend it to you. It gives you detailed research. So if you want to search for something, if you put it in Perplexity, it will give you exactly where it's coming from, link it, keep suggesting related searches. Perplexity, I highly recommend for your topic research. So step 1, we said content research. Step 2 is keyword research. Now, keywords are very important. You know what keywords are, right? So if someone wants to search for something online, there's a particular word that they must include. So we have primary keywords and secondary keywords. So those words, that's what will help people find your content. So you need to include the right keywords in every article or blog that you write. Okay, and so you need to do keyword research to find out, okay, what are people using as the keyword for this particular blog? Do you understand? Yes. And so There are several keyword research tools. The one I'm going to suggest to you too, I'm going to suggest Ahrefs keyword generator and SEMrush. Okay, Ahrefs and SEMrush, those two for keyword research, SEO keyword research, highly suggested, highly recommended. So go after them. So now that you've done step 1 and step 2, you've researched your content, you've researched your keyword, you've outlined your content. For content outlining, you can use Perplexity. Now the next step is to start writing, right? And that's like the easiest step for me. Once I've done my research, then writing is very easy. Yeah, but then to write, there are several tools you can use to write. There is Microsoft Word, but my favorite is Google Docs. Like, ever since I started using Google Docs, I've never looked back. I love it because of the collaboration features, the way that you can write something on Google Docs, then other people can see it, can edit, can comment, and it's just interactive, and I feel like it's very useful for content writers. So yes, the tool I'll suggest to you for writing proper is Google Docs. After writing, next step is editing. Of course, you need to edit your content. There are a lot of grammar errors, there are a lot of sentence structure disorder, there are several things, punctuation, different things you need to check, readability, all of that. And I'm going to suggest that you use Hemingway and Grammarly for this. Mix both of them. Hemingway is going to help you with your readability score, because you want to see, okay, how can people read on a scale of 1 to 10? How good do people find this content for reading? All right. And so for Hemingway, you're supposed to target anything from 6 and below. That's great content. All right. So Hemingway. Then for Grammarly, for grammar, to make sure that you've not made punctuation errors and all of that, So yes, editing is very important. Okay, after you've edited this content, you're going to go on for on-page SEO. That's the next step. On-page SEO, this is where you do things like internal linking, external linking, adding anchor text, the right anchor text, making sure that you've included H1, the right headers. This is on-page SEO. So it's just basically making sure that your content is optimized so that Google can find your content. Whenever someone searches for anything, they can recommend your content for them. Alright, so on-page SEO is the next thing. Now, of course, you need a tool that will help you communicate with your clients. Okay, so maybe you work in a team or you work as an individual. Either way is communication, you and your clients, you and your other team members. Okay, so I recommend either you use Gmail is very simple to use, or you use Slack, or you use Trello. Okay, there are other ones, but then these ones, I've used them and they are very great and they are free tools, so check them out. Also, after communication, you're also going to need a tool for invoicing. Okay, so you want to send out a professional invoice instead of sending out just drafting something on your Google Docs. No, you want to actually use an invoice template to create a very good invoice and send it out. Okay, and for this I recommend Gray. You can use Gray to create your free invoice templates, or you can use this site called freeinvoicetemplates.org. You can also use that to get your free invoice templates and then send it out. Finally, you're going to need a tool that helps you find clients and then connect with other writers like yourself. That's very important, because no man is an island, especially in this freelance writing field. Okay, you need to meet other writers, you need to meet other clients, communicate with people, and the overall ultimate tool I'm going to suggest for you is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is it's a great tool for this. Okay, you can find jobs, you can find clients, you can connect with people, you can find your fellow writers. It's an all-in-one package. So yes, LinkedIn. So yes, that's it, guys. I'm not sure how many tools I've listed, but I'm sure I've listed enough tools, and all of these tools are free. So if you are a content writer, a beginner, you don't have an excuse. Just go on and start writing immediately. Alright, so that's it, guys, for today. Remember that on Monday, okay, for those who are just watching, every Monday mornings I release available content writing gigs for you. Yeah, so you can literally see the companies or sites or clients that are currently hiring for the week, and then you can rush and go and apply. Okay, so you can just check out the ones I've done before and subscribe so that you don't miss the one I'm going to release on Monday morning by 7 a.m. It will drop. That's what I've been doing for the past 4 weeks. Okay, so I'll do it again this Monday, and you don't want to miss it. So click subscribe and turn on your notification. Alright, so thank you guys for staying with me till the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have questions, I'll always be in the comments to answer your questions. See you in my next video. Bye.